the sky. Let's build with shapes today. Let's build, hooray, hooray. Circle, square, and triangle play. Let's build together, yay, yay, yay. Rectangle makes a house so tall, so tall, so tall. Doors and windows for all. Star shines bright on a car, vroom, 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 across the room. Heart makes a tree so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Love grows under our feet. Let's build with shapes today. Let's build, hooray, hooray. Circle, star, and heart can say we built our world in a shapy way. Red circle, blue square, yellow star. Clap your hands wherever you are. 1, 2, 3, count with me. Shapes make numbers happily. Big triangle, small heart too. All our shapes have work to do. Big ones build, small ones play. Shapes help us every day. Point to the circle, roll it round. Find the square on the ground. Tap your knees and shout hooray. We're shape builders every day. Shapes make clouds, the moon, the sun. Learning shapes is so much fun. Build your dreams in every way. With happy shapes we laugh and play.